is Cathryn, I'm a percussionist, and I'm going to show you how you can still make music, even though you're staying at home, from things you can find in your kitchen. The first thing you should be able to find in your kitchen are these, the spoons. Spoons can be used as drumsticks to hit other things, but can also be used on their own to play the spoons, and that's what I'm going to show you how to do first. To play the spoons, find 2 spoons, and on your main hand, take the first spoon and place it in between these 2 fingers here, like this. Get the other spoon and place it on top, held down by your thumb. It's important to make sure they're back to back like this. Now to play the spoons, there are only 2 strokes, a down and an up. To play the down stroke, get the same leg as the side of your body that you're holding the spoons and just hit them off your leg like this. And to play an up stroke, get your other hand and place it above the spoons and play up like this. And that's it. All we have to do is put these 2 things together and create rhythms. My personal favourite goes down, down, up, and sounds a little bit like this. That's it. Now it's your turn. Go and find your spoons and have a go. Another great way of making music in the kitchen is with shakers. You might already have something in your cupboard which makes noise, like these hundreds and thousands I found. If you don't worry, you can always make your own. This is a water bottle with some rice in it that I made earlier. Sounds just as good. There are 2 main ways to play the shakers, forwards and backwards like this, or shaking as fast as you can side to side like this. Now it's your turn. Make your own and have a go. Something else you might have in your kitchen are these empty Tupperware boxes, and they work really well as drums. I have 3 here today. A small one which makes quite a high sound, a medium one which makes a lower sound, and a really big one which makes the lowest sound. Pots or frying pans work really well for this as well. It's really good fun to see what different types of sounds you can make by hitting these in different places. For example, on the sides, on the rims, or right in the centre on the top. Or putting all of those things together and seeing what kind of music you can make. Now it's your turn. Go and find something you can make music from. I've seen the opera Pamplemousse last summer. I was part of the group of musicians playing on stage alongside the singers last year. As the percussionist, I get to play lots and lots of different instruments. Some of them are really big, like a bass drum, and others are much smaller, like a triangle. I've brought 2 of the more interesting, smaller instruments with me today. The first are these, the wind chimes. They have quite a magical sound, and were used at the start and at the end of the opera. The instrument is made of many different sized metal tubes, which knock against each other as I play. The second instrument I've brought with me today is a flexitone. It has a very interesting sound. This instrument was used to represent mice in the opera. The instrument is made of 2 hammers which hit a metal plate, and the pitch bends up and down as I bend this plate inwards and outwards. Okay everyone, I've got a range of the instruments that we found in the kitchen earlier. I've got my Tupperware boxes, a pan, spoons and a shaker. And I put them all next to each other so that I can play one awesome piece of music all together. You should join in as well.